as you guys know, the Orion is one of the best devices out there. The only problem with it is it's super expensive.
Yeah.
So these two devices we've got stack up to the Orion in many ways, and they're only 25 bucks.
Yeah. And one of these devices you guys have heard plenty about from us. The Smok Nord.
Of course. And the other one is kind of new. It's the Ogvape AIO.
I wouldn't say it's new, but it is new to us.
It's new to us, yeah.
Recently come to our attention, and we did get it sent to us. No bias here, though.
No.
No bias.
So let's first start about the hit. Everyone knows that the Orion's hit is super duper strong.
Yeah.
And it's powerful. You know, that's its thing.
Yeah, it's a huge throat hit. That's what it is. Yeah.
So how do these hits stack up?
Well, the Nord, for example, is not the same in that way. You know, it's not a throat hit.
Right.
It's more of like it feels like a juicy, wet hit.
Just like a big old gulp of vape, kind of.
Yeah,
right?
Almost. You're not like actually drinking juice, you're not getting spit on.
It's just a huge hit.
Yeah, it's just a big hit, but it's not too much on the throat,
Right.
Whereas, like the Ogvape, it does a great job of emulating the Orion's hit. It's a coil, so it's an AIO with the coil chimney. The whole deal is very similar to the Orion's with the chimney and all that. The mouthpiece is very similar, adjustable airflow, just like the Orion. And
flavor's pretty similar to the Orion too. Dare I say it's even a little bit better because it's got a bigger mouthpiece, so it kind of feels a little more airy than the Orion is, and that's good for flavor. Which definitely, I'd say this takes the lead in flavor over the Orion.
Yeah, for sure.
Now, what about something like durability? These devices are pretty cheap. The Orion is super expensive and super strong.
Well, as we all know, the Nord is made out of plastic.
Of course.
Right?
It's got a little metal band around it, but that's not doing much.
It's made out of plastic at the end of the day. The Orion's made out of metal.
Top to bottom.
The Ogvape is made out of metal.
That's right.
Minus the button. The button's only plastic on this motherfucker.
Which, I mean...
In the mouthpiece.
Yeah. Which, I mean, is great because, it gives you a really good sense of mind, peace of mind when you're using it, just like you get with the Orion. Although the Nord is plastic, we've dropped it a million times, obviously, and it's, where you have no problems with it. And, it feels good dropping it because it's only 25 bucks, you know? So all these devices are pretty great. How would you rank them at best value? Because for me, best value, in my opinion, goes to the Smok Nord, simply because it is just a little bit cheaper and you get so much for it. How about you?
I'd go with the Ogvape.
Okay.
I'm really enjoying this vape right now. It's a little newer to us. We've had it for like 2 weeks. Things could change, but right now, man, it hits very similarly to the Orion. I actually almost like the hit better than the Orion. It's becoming my daily carry.
Yeah.
And it's priced at about the same price as the Nord.
Exactly.
It's like $1 more expensive.
Exactly, and that puts the Orion at the bottom end of the value category because, again, it's kind of like a unique device. It's specialty. It's if you want something really super nice.
Yeah.
But if you don't have the budget for it, these two devices definitely take the place.
Yeah, they do a great job. Not only a great job, like if I was recommending somebody the nicest vape you could buy right now, I would personally tell them to buy this vape.
Exactly. So that begs the question then. Is the Orion really worth it?
Not anymore.
Nope.
Not today.
It's not. We've got links of these down in the description, obviously, but if you were really thinking about getting a solid device, you don't have to think about the Orion anymore. There's better options.
Yeah.
Well, there's equal options, but they're much cheaper. So it's a better value.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, you don't need to drop all this money on one device. You could buy both of the. You could buy both the Nord and the Ogvape, and spend less money than buying a Nord.
Exactly.
An Orion.
And we're always updating the links down in the description to give you the best prices we can find because we love you guys and we want you to get the best prices too.
Yeah.
So check them out and hit that subscribe button while you're down there. It's right next to the like button. If you get confused, you can hit them both. It's fine.
Just hit them both.
And thanks for watching the video, guys. So until next time, peace out.